Have you ever wondered why black pepper shows up on almost every dinner table, but nobody really talks about what it actually does to your body? Well, what if I told you that eating just a pinch of it every day could create a chain reaction inside you? One that you've probably never heard about? Stick around, because what happens next might surprise you. Black pepper. Simple, right? Just those tiny black specks we shake over eggs, pasta, or maybe a bowl of soup when we're trying to feel fancy. But here's the crazy part. This everyday spice has been used for thousands of years, not just for flavor, but as a kind of natural health booster. Ancient cultures treated it like treasure. Traders risked their lives for it. Some countries even used it as money. Yet today, most of us sprinkle it without even thinking. But when you eat black pepper every single day, even in small amounts, your body reacts in some pretty interesting ways in your stomach, your brain, your digestion, even your metabolism. And today we're breaking all of that down in simple, everyday English, so you know exactly what's really happening inside your body. Let's get into it. Point 1. Your digestion gets a boost. The first thing black pepper does is help wake up your digestive system. Imagine you're trying to start a car on a cold winter morning. The engine struggles a bit, right? Well, your digestion can be the same way. Slow, sluggish, especially if you're eating heavy meals or sitting all day. Black pepper acts like turning on the heater early. It signals your stomach to produce a little more digestive juice. That means your food breaks down better, nutrients get absorbed more easily, and you feel less bloated after meals. This is why some people notice they burp less, digest spicy or fatty foods better, or have less stomach discomfort when they use black pepper regularly. Just a tiny amount, like a pinch on meals, is enough. Point 2. Your metabolism gets a light push now. I'm not saying black pepper will magically burn fat, but it can give your metabolism a small nudge. There's a natural compound in black pepper called piperine. You don't need to remember the name, but what it does is interesting. Think of your metabolism like a lazy roommate. Black pepper basically taps them on the shoulder and says, "Hey, time to wake up. We got things to do." Some people feel a little warmer after eating it. Some notice they digest heavy meals faster. And when combined with exercise and decent eating habits, that tiny daily boost can add up over time. Again, we're not talking magic tricks. Just a natural, gentle push that supports what you're already doing. Point 3. It helps your body absorb more nutrients. This is where black pepper becomes kind of a secret weapon. There are some nutrients in healthy foods that your body wants to absorb, but struggles too. Turmeric is a big example. Vitamin B12, selenium, even some plant antioxidants. Your body doesn't always use them efficiently, but when black pepper is around, it acts like the friend who whispers, "Let them in, they're cool." It helps your body absorb certain nutrients much better. This is why you'll see turmeric supplements mixed with black pepper extract. The pepper helps your body actually use the turmeric. So if you're someone who tries to eat healthy fruits, veggies, superfoods, supplements, adding black pepper daily can make all that effort work even better. Point 4. You might notice less gas and bloating. Let's be honest, bloating is annoying. Your stomach feels stretched, your clothes feel tight, and you just want to lie down. Because black pepper helps stimulate digestion, it also helps reduce the chance of food just sitting there and fermenting, which is where gas comes from. It is like helping traffic move on a busy road instead of letting it pile up into a jam. People who use black pepper daily often notice less bloating after eating, less gassy discomfort, more settled stomach after heavy meals. This effect is gentle and natural, not like harsh digestive pills. Point 5. Your food actually tastes better. Let's not forget the obvious. Black pepper makes food taste alive. That little kick wakes up your taste buds and can make plain foods more exciting. If you've been trying to eat healthier, but you're bored of chicken and veggies, black pepper can make simple meals taste better without drowning your food in sauces, salt, or oil. Better flavor gives better consistency, gives better habits. Point 6. It may support your brain over time now. This isn't some superhero promise, and we're keeping it simple here. That same compound, piperine, has been studied for how it affects your brain. Some early research suggests it may support memory, focus, and mental clarity. Think of it like giving your brain a mild tune-up instead of letting it run on autopilot. People who eat black pepper daily often say they feel more awake, especially during meals or right after. Again, nothing dramatic, just a natural lift. Point 7. It encourages better gut health. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria. Some good, some not so good. Food choices, stress, sleep, and even antibiotics can mess up this balance. Black pepper helps support the good bacteria by improving digestion and reducing the things that cause irritation in your gut. A healthier gut equals better immunity, better mood, better energy. Because yes, to 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. So keeping it calm matters. Point 8. It has a gentle cleansing effect. We're not talking detox teas or crazy cleanse products. Black pepper naturally helps your body move things along. It doesn't flush you out like a laxative. It just supports your body's natural cleanup system. When you eat black pepper every day, many people notice less sluggishness, more regular bathroom habits. A lighter feeling after meals. This happens because your digestion becomes smoother and more efficient. Point 9. You may feel a small energy lift. Better digestion plus better nutrient absorption equals better energy. Your body isn't wasting as much energy fighting bloating, slow digestion, or nutrient gaps. So you might feel less midday tiredness, better focus, a more stable appetite again. Nothing extreme, just small improvements that stack up. Point 10. It has natural antioxidants. Antioxidants are like tiny bodyguards for your cells. They help protect your body from daily wear and tear, pollution, stress, aging, poor sleep, processed foods, all of it. Black pepper contains these natural antioxidants, and using it every day gives your body a steady, gentle supply. Think of it as background protection, always there, quietly helping out. Alright, here's the part most people don't know. And it's the real game changer. Asterisk, asterisk, the most surprising thing. Black pepper makes other healthy foods more powerful. Asterisk, asterisk, yep, that's the big reveal. Black pepper itself is great, but its real power comes from what it does with other foods. When you eat it every day, it becomes a booster. Here's what I mean. It makes turmeric way more effective. It helps your body absorb more vitamins from veggies. It increases the benefits of certain supplements. It enhances the effects of healthy fats. It helps plant compounds actually reach your bloodstream. Think of black pepper as the friend who brings out the best in everyone else. It's not just about what black pepper does alone. It's about how it upgrades everything around it. That's why professional chefs, ancient cultures, and modern nutritionists all swear by it. Black pepper isn't just a spice, it's an amplifier. And when you use it daily, even in tiny amounts, you're quietly improving everything else you eat. That's the real magic. So what happens if you eat black pepper every day? Here's the quick recap. Your digestion gets smoother, your metabolism gets a little boost. You absorb more nutrients from your food, you deal with less bloating and gas, your meals taste better, your gut health improves, your energy feels more stable, and most importantly, it makes other healthy foods work better, all from something most of us already have sitting on the table. Now, I want to hear from you. Asterisk, asterisk. Do you eat black pepper every day? Or are you thinking of starting now that you know what it can do? Asterisk, asterisk. Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone who loves simple health tips. And if you want more videos like this where everyday foods turn out to have surprising benefits, let me know because I've got plenty more coming. Thanks for watching, take care of your body, and I'll see you in the next one.